In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manually add a contact to Zoho CRM. We'll walk through the process from logging in, all the way to saving your new contact, so you can follow along step by step on your own screen. By the end, you'll be able to quickly add new people to your database and keep your CRM organized. First, log into your Zoho CRM account using your usual credentials and open your main dashboard. Make sure you're in the right workspace or environment if your company uses more than one. Once you're in, take a moment to let the interface load so everything is visible and ready to use. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the screen for the navigation panel. Here, you'll see different modules like leads, accounts, and deals. Find and click on the Contacts tab. This is where all of your existing contacts are stored and where you'll be adding new ones. Once you're inside the Contacts module, you'll want to start creating a new contact record. Look toward the upper right corner of the screen for the button labeled New Contact with a plus sign. Go ahead and click that. This opens a blank contact form where you'll be entering all the information you have about the person. Now fill in the contact details. Start with the basics, like their first and last name, then add their email address and phone number. If you have extra details, such as their job title, department, or mailing address, this is a good time to include those as well. The more complete the information, the more useful your CRM will be later. Pay attention to any fields marked as required so you don't run into errors when saving. If this person works for a company that's already in your CRM, it's a good idea to associate them with that account. In the contact form, look for the field labeled Account Name. Click into that field and start typing the company's name. Zoho will show matching accounts from your database. Select the correct one to link this contact to that company. This helps you keep all people and activities connected to the right organization. Once everything looks correct and you've added all the details you have, move to the top right of the form and click the blue Save button. Zoho will create the new contact record and take you to their profile page, where you can add notes, log calls, or create follow-up tasks. And that's all you need to manually add a contact in Zoho CRM.